Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos like this video, just to motivate me to continue making videos. If you're looking for forex robots, forex systems, indicators and stuff like that, there are two links in the description box below. Just go over there and see what you can find. There are pages and pages of stuff on those blogs, so go through them and see if you can find what you're looking for. Leave a comment in the comments box below if you happen to not find anything there. I'll try my best to look for the stuff that you'll be looking for. Remember, everything is shared for free. I will never ask for payment. If anybody asks you for payment on this channel, run away, because you're about to get scammed. So yeah, I thought let me do a quick video. I've been testing one of the robots that are posted on the blog to see if it still works. So you can see the results there. Maybe let's go into the chat. Yes, so the robot is basically about to hit TP, and it might hit TP, but there's a zone there where price is dancing there. So there is a zone, you can see where price is here, but let's see if it drops. So the TP is just basically on the other side of the zone that's extending here. So price here might return to hit my trailing stops, or it might actually wick down like it's doing now and go down and hit my take profits. And yeah, so this is how things are looking. There was $10 in this account, and I basically had forgotten about it, so I decided just to test the robot. So you can see the profit so far, because I started trading on this last week. The robot has basically lost 3 cents. Has lost 3 cents and has given some $3 to the account. I'm not aggressive with the robot. These standard lots were me just playing, but otherwise the 02s and the 01s and the 05s the robot, and I've tried not to be aggressive, not to be greedy, because that's one sure way of getting your account blown, especially with these robots. You do not want to be aggressive with these robots. So yeah, if you are looking for a free robot that probably has some potential, I'm not advertising this, and it's not an endorsement. And if you choose to do this, understand that you are doing it at your own risk. You are using this robot at your own risk. I just thought let me share with you guys some of the things that have been happening. But yeah, I think I might see if I can move my take profit slightly further down, because I can see something is about to happen here, like these moving averages want to cross. But anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is. If you want to see how I set up the robot, I previously did videos showing you how to set up the robot. So yeah, basically I'll link the videos in the description box below, then you can go over there and just look at that video and the settings that I am using, and you can start making your own tweaks from there. Do not be afraid to make your own changes. Try it out. I previously said I normally encourage people to test these things on a micro account like I'm doing here before I can go to a standard account with the robot. So I try to test these things and my settings on a micro account. If I lose, I am basically losing cents. If I win, well, I'm winning cents. But then after testing it maybe for a month or so, and when I'm confident with my settings, with my tweaks, then from there I can plot it on a standard account. You can use a demo account. I know people love demos. You can use a demo account if you don't have a micro account, but the problem with me with demo accounts is they don't give you that feel of the market. I am looking for that feel of the market when there's something at stake, when there's something you might lose. You know, if this thing does not work as it should, this could have been easily $3 negative. This could have been $3 negative, and it forces you to think, it forces you to plan. How do you tweak this thing? How do you fix it? So you cannot do that with a demo. You cannot do that with a demo account because it's fake money. So that's why I encourage people, if you don't have money and you cannot find a standard account, but you want to get a feel of the market, I encourage people to stay away from demo accounts and find a micro account. By the way, people are always asking me in the comments boxes, which broker do you use? Again, I've linked that in the description box below. There are two brokers that I primarily use, but there are others that I use, but those are I think those two are more accessible to everyone else. So yeah, but yeah, see, we have just hit take profit there. My stop losses were hit, so we'll see what happens now, whether price is wanting to continue down. If it's wanting to continue down, the moment it pulls back, we'll see the robot coming in again and selling. But yeah, I will see if price wants to continue going down. If it does, then obviously the robot is going to come in again. So like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's make this money.